I am Dr. Abhishek Kumar Mishra, Senior Consultant in Orthopedics, primarily dealing in joint replacements in the spine. I have hundreds of joint replacement surgeries behind me, which include both primary as well as revision, knee replacements and hip replacements. I practice in several South Delhi hospitals as a visiting consultant. I operate in all these hospitals, and I've got my own OPD clinic at Hoskas. I've done my post-graduation in orthopedics from Delhi University, and thereafter I've worked as a fellow in joint replacement surgery in Germany. I've also done an observership in joint replacement surgery from US, Maryland, at Shady Grove Adventist Hospital and Washington Adventist Hospital. I have almost 13 to 14 years of orthopedic practice behind me, and fortunately I have a strong base of several satisfied patients who have been operated upon by me. By presenting this small video to you, my primary motive is to make you aware that joint replacement surgeries, they are kind of stigma in our country right now. If properly done in properly indicated patients, they can have amazing, wonderful results. They can change a patient's lifestyle completely. A patient who is bedridden, not able to move out of his house because of his deformities, because of pain, is able to resume his quality of life absolutely normally a few days after the surgery. So here is the story of two patients, Mr. Mukherjee and Mr. Gatturam. I actually have operated upon hundreds of knees, done hundreds of replacements, but I was specifically keen to present these two patients because they had got severe deformities to the extent that normal walking was almost impossible for them. Mr. Mukherjee had a knee in which the leg was going completely outwards and it was crooked in an opposite direction. I had operated upon him, and just a few weeks after surgery he was walking independently, moving independently, and he and his family was thankful that they opted for surgery.
Myself, T.K. Mukherjee, I'm a retired person, and I am 75 years old. Now, I had some problem on my both the knees, especially the right knee was very bad for so many years, but it went very bad for the last few months. I was not able to walk freely. It was giving a lot of pains while walking. Then sometimes it becomes very unbearable. Then I contacted Dr. Abhishek Mishra, and he suggested me immediate operation for the knee replacement. And he said, you just get admitted and we'll operate it. So I got admitted on 1st of September, and 2nd September I was operated on. And operation was very smooth, so no pain initially, and then I didn't feel actually that I am being operated. Only lower portion was having numb, and then I was shifted to recovery room, and I remained there for about 2-3 hours. Then I was shifted to my room, and I was recovering well. I remained there for 5 days, and on 6th I was discharged as per the advice of Dr. Abhishek Mishra, and I was told that I can climb to my 3rd floor house, which I did it very conveniently. I personally feel that I will never get such type of things in my life. It is just a second life for me. I am walking quite freely. There is a very little pain which doctor says that it will go during some, say, about a month or so. I am very much thankful to Dr. Abhishek Mishra that he has done a wonderful job, and I will suggest the persons who are having the same type of problem must go for the knee replacement, and only a few days pain, then after that it is very, very, very comfortable life.
As I was mentioning that my father had arthritis problem for nearly 4-5 years, and gradually in 2011 he had septicemia. He had undergone operation, and he had been experiencing very bad pain by rubbing both the bones, and it's been a boom in disguise that Dr. Abhishek Mishra was consulted, and following the operation, things have literally fallen in place, and now he is walking as a normal person. A lot of doctors had been consulted in the past, but unfortunately there was no recovery on the said problem that he had been persisting for nearly past few years. So I feel that now, since he had been operated post surgery, and with the physiotherapy exercises that he is currently undergoing, he'll be able to lead a normal life after a month or so. So I'm really thankful and very grateful to Dr. Abhishek Mishra for his devotion and his persistence in his medical field, and maybe next year I would like to go for my mother's right knee surgery, but she also had the same problem, and I'm really thankful and grateful to him.
Similarly, Mr. Gatturam, his story is quite similar. In fact, both his knees were very bad, so bad, probably you can appreciate in the videos, they were extremely crooked. And at some point of time, even walking was difficult for Mr. Gatturam. All the time he stayed back inside his home, sitting or lying down, doing nothing, just passing the days of his life away. In Mr. Gatturam's case, I would have preferred to do both the knees at the same time, but unfortunately there were some finance issues involved, and he had an insurance which could cater to the budget of just one knee at a time. So I did a left knee first, and after approximately 1 year I did the right knee, and just a few weeks after surgery he's walking perfectly, he's moving around, he's doing all his daily chores, he's going to the market, he's going to the temple. I mean, he's completely independent, and he's relishing the life he has got back again.
मेरा नाम गुट्टू राम है। मैं मैकेनिक था IIT के अंदर। मैं काफ़ी दिन से काम कर रहा था। मेरे पैर जब रिटायर हुआ तो उसके बाद मेरे पैर ख़राब हो गए। मेरे को बहुत तकलीफ़ थी। रिटायर होने के बाद बहुत तकलीफ़ हुई। वो इतनी ज़्यादा हुई कि जब मैं चलने नहीं पा रहा था, मैं तो परेशान हो गया। इतना परेशान हो गया तो फिर मैंने अस्पताल में जाकर पैर के वो इलाज करवाया। इलाज करवाने के बाद थोड़ा अब सही चल रहा हूँ।
मेरा नाम जय प्रसाद यादव है। मेरे फादर का नाम गुट्टू राम यादव था। उनके पैरों में बहुत ज़्यादा दिक्कत थी, जिसकी वजह से वो चल भी नहीं पाते थे, ना कोई काम कर पाते थे, ना उठ पाते थे। तो बहुत इलाज करवाया, यहाँ तक कि एम्स, सफदरजंग, बड़े बड़े जितने भी हॉस्पिटल सबने दिखाया, लेकिन किसी भी डॉक्टर ने गारंटी नहीं ली कि 100% श्योर कि ठीक हो जाएंगे। तो वो सभी यही कहते थे कि 50-50 चांस है, ठीक भी हो सकता है या फिर पूरे ही ख़राब हो सकते हैं। फिर मेरे किसी दोस्त ने मेरे को बताया डॉक्टर अभिषेक मिश्रा के बारे में। चेकअप थे, वो सारे चेकअप किए, रूटीन चेकअप। उसके बाद देखा कह रहे थे वो ठीक हो जाएगा, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सर थोड़ी सी सर्जरी करनी पड़ेगी। पहले एक सर्जरी करी, फिर नेक्स्ट ईयर दूसरी सर्जरी की, जिसकी वजह से तो आज इतने बढ़िया चल पा रहे हैं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कुछ नहीं। एक टाइम तो ऐसे आ रहा था कि फादर कह रहे थे कि मैं सुसाइड ही कर लूँगा, वो चल भी नहीं पा रहे थे, उठ नहीं पा रहे थे, कह रहे थे मैं किसी पे बोझ नहीं बनूँगा। लेकिन आज तो वो सबकी मदद कर रहे हैं, खुद चलते हैं, खुद घर से जाके सब्जी दूध लेके आ रहे हैं, और रोज़ 1 किलोमीटर तो चल लेते हैं, पहले तो आधा मीटर भी नहीं चल पाते थे। लोग सर्जरी से बहुत डरते हैं, लेकिन मेरा मानना ये है कि सर्जरी से कोई घबराने की तो बात है नहीं, छोटा सा ऑपरेशन ही होता है। इसमें लोगों की गलत धारणा है, कोई लोग भड़का देते हैं। मेरे को भी कई सुझाव ऐसे आए कि यार सर्जरी से ये मत कर, वो मत कर। मेरा सुझाव तो ये है कि सर्जरी करानी चाहिए, और ये विदेशों में भी बहुत फेमस है। इंडिया में अभी गलत धारणाएं हैं, लोगों को मतलब सोच नहीं पाते, करें करवाएं ना करवाएं, उस चक्कर में चलते चलते उनका टाइम ही बीत जाता है। फिर सर्जरी के लायक भी इंसान नहीं रहता कि पछताते हैं कि सर्जरी करा लेते तो हम ठीक हो सकते थे। मतलब डॉक्टर अभिषेक के बारे में क्या कहूँ, उनके लिए जितना थैंक यू कहूँ वो भी कम है। वो तो मतलब मेरे और हमारे परिवार के मतलब भगवान के बराबर हैं। मैं उनको लाख लाख धन्यवाद, थैंक यू। भगवान उनकी सारी ख्वाहिशें पूरी करे, मैं यही कह सकता हूँ और कुछ नहीं। बाकी सब तो जो उन्होंने किया शायद कोई और कुछ नहीं कर सकता। मेरे लिए तो वो भगवान का रूप है, जो उन्होंने मेरे फादर को इतना मतलब जिनकी उम्मीद नहीं थी कि ठीक हो पाएंगे, आज वो अपने पैरों पे खड़े होकर चल रहे हैं, और क्या चाहिए। मैं डॉक्टर साहब को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ कि आपने सक्सेसफुली नी रिप्लेसमेंट सर्जरी का ऑपरेशन किया। आपको बहुत 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 धन्यवाद, थैंक यू सो मच।
Both these knees were difficult knees. Both these cases were complicated cases. One thing I would like to point out is that you see, if you do 100 surgeries, 1 or 2 of them is bound to not to have very good results. But most of the cases which you operate upon usually have good or very good or excellent results. The thing is that if you ask 100 people, somebody whose results are not good, that person is going to influence you more than hundreds of other patients who have undergone successful surgeries. In fact, those patients, those people who have undergone successful surgeries, you won't even get to notice them because they are walking normally, just like you and me. They are lost in the crowd. But one person who has undergone surgery which was not very good, not being able to walk normally, he is going to spread stories around. So don't listen to these stories which tell that knee replacement does not have good results. Extremely good results if carried out nicely in rightly indicated patients. Heed to the advice of those people who give you good advice. Believe in your doctor, have trust in your doctor, have trust in God, and most of it have trust in yourself. You are going to do certainly well once you have undergone a good surgery. Talking about finances, you see these days most of the people have insurance policies which have been provided either by their employers or the government. Even if you don't have an insurance policy, you are just a cash paying patient, somehow the doctor or the hospital can manage to provide you with the surgical services in your own budget. So don't worry about the financial cost. Talk to the doctor, talk to the hospital, explain your situation to them, and I'm certain that at some point of time either the doctor or the hospital is going to help you out.